So one of the questions I get asked a lot is, how do you keep your lumber from splitting? Well, there's not really a perfect solution to this. The wood's going to do whatever it wants to do as far as grain direction whenever it dries, in any environment, in a kiln or outside. But what I have come up with is a way to prevent some obvious splitting that happens during the drying process. I have an older video, I'll post a link above, where I coat the end grain of all my logs with some latex paint. Cheap, easy way to get rid of old paint. I just rub it on with a roller, and that kind of prevents some of the moisture escape on the end grain, which can reduce some splitting. But if you have something more drastic, for example, this split here, we can actually use a nail plate. These are about $1.80, something like that, at your local home goods store. I got these at Home Depot. They're Simpson Strong Tie brand. But what it is, it's a nail mending plate, and there's a bunch of different sizes. You can even get the plumbing ones that are designed to stop you from driving a nail into plumbing or electrical in the wall. Those are stronger, but the mending nail plates have multiple holes. And so I have a crack here that's propagating through this log. And what I'm gonna do, and if I was really concerned about this, I might put multiple ones of these, but I'm gonna nail this plate right across the split to try to reduce the tension in the log from splitting it further as it dries. So it's as easy as that, 60 to 80 cents or $1, whatever these cost, I can't remember. And now we have a mechanical prevention of that log splitting further. Now, of course, remember to take these off when you mill it with a chainsaw mill or bandsaw mill. But all those little prongs will hold pretty good to prevent that from splitting further. So let's look at some other logs and see how we can, prevent the drying process from splitting. Here's a little more up close shot of this mending plate on there. Now again, this is just more preventative. This one's already probably too far gone to save, but just for a proof of concept. Alright, so I just did a video kind of showcasing this DIY kiln, but I have had an issue, even though I've been slow drying these as much as possible. Painted the end grain, but I have two splits right there, and this is some really nice spalted maple, and you can kind of see some of the spalting there. So I'm going to use my method of the mending plates on those two cracks, and let's pound those things in and see if we can over time reduce some of the splitting. I'm going to set you guys up here. I feel like that one's too far gone. This one's not terrible, so I'm going to center it. That's all I bought. I should have bought more. Well, I'm gonna let this stuff dry, guys, and thanks for watching. I'm gonna do the outer side as well once I move some things out of the way, and hopefully that keeps our lumber in good shape. So if you have any comments, suggestions, please feel free to post them below. And hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you, guys.